Magandang hapon, narito na ang 2 p.m. Lotto Result. Araw ng Martes, September 24, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw, 26 and 31 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw, 7, 6, and 9 in exact order. Ngayong gabi sa Lotto 642 na may estimated jackpot of 5 million. Sa Super Lotto 649 na may estimated jackpot of 67 million. At ang Ultra Lotto 658 na may estimated jackpot of 189 million. Lotto draw schedules ngayong gabi. Easy 2 Lotto, Suertres Lotto, 6D Lotto, Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649 at ang Ultra Lotto 658. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.